What's up, everybody? I'm the Derek Frank, and today, back by popular demand, is another video on the Pentaharp. So I wasn't really expecting to do another video on the Pentaharp, but I've had a lot more questions and a lot of people asking what it is, what it can do, what it can't do, and I'm going to show you some more things that I didn't show you in the last video. And one of the biggest questions I get asked is it only something I can do in that key? Well, no. One of the great things that you can do with this is that you can play in the relative major of whatever key you get as well. If you don't know what I'm talking about when I say relative major, relative minor, I will have a video down in the description, so that can help you out a little bit more. If you really have more questions, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section as well, and I'm happy to try to explain that to you. But for now, I'm going to show you what this can do. So I have a B-flat pentaharp, and I'm going to be playing over C-sharp major. First, I'm going to show you a little bit of that octave two-hole split that I talked about in my last video. Really simple, just cover two holes with your tongue, and you can do some really great comping patterns. Here we go. Simple little thing you can do to kind of help fill up space when you're not soloing, when you need to sit back and hang with the rest of the band. Now, I'm going to solo in C-sharp major with my B-flat pentaharp. Please remember, I'm a beginner harmonica player. I just love this thing because it's so great for guitarists, but as we develop more things for it, we're finding more uses. This is one of the cool things. One of the things I will say is when you're playing in the relative major is to avoid that two draw, because that is that flatted note, and sometimes depending on what the chord progression is, it's not going to sound right. So here's a little bit of soloing over C-sharp major with the B-flat pentaharp. So again, I am not a harmonica player. This is pretty much, playing something straight out of the box. It's a really easy tool to use. Now for you harmonica players, there's a lot of other great resources for you. One of the things I recommend is go check out Ronnie Shellis. Ronnie's doing some incredible things with the relative major, also with using 10th position, which is something I really know nothing about. As you can tell, you can be really expressive with this and not have to worry nearly as much as if you're playing a Richter tune harmonica. The biggest thing, and I cannot stress this enough, is this here to replace the Richter tune harmonica? Absolutely not. That's not what this is for. It's just another tool to add to your arsenal, especially for beginners. This was originally thought of to help people get into harmonica and get them more excited. What it's done for me is it's made me want to play the Richter tune harmonica even more. But the more I play it, the better my dexterity gets, the better my ear gets, because I'm hearing the right notes without having to worry if those bends are in tune. And then I can experiment a little bit more with the bends and kind of get some different runs that I hadn't done before. If you have any more questions, make sure you leave them in the comments section below. Also, if you haven't done so, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. It helps me out quite a bit. And if you're interested in buying a Pentaharp, I have a link below to my lesson squad. It'll take you to places like Sweetwater, Guitar Center. If you want to get these, make sure you order them now because they're going really fast. Thank you guys so much and have a good one. And remember, be nice to your neighbors. I don't die. I choke on my own spit.